All right, welcome to video 11. Just kicking these out one after another. We have given the area problem. This is adjoining angles. This one's solvable. We got to solve for this first, right? And we're going to do that now. So let's zoom out. This is where we're at. This is the last. I actually touched a little bit on the quadratic equation here. Well, I did probably because it was just such a short video. So let's hit this one real quick. No quadratic equation required. So let's jump into the video solution. All right. I don't know why it's at 10. We're on 11. Oh, we're on video 11. So find the missing sides. All right. So I'm going to do is very similar. X here. Let's get it out of the way. So we're looking for, well, we're going to do substitution again. We have 15 degrees. Like I said on the video, on the exam, I had this angle, and you can solve it. You just go cosine. I don't know. I switched it to this, so this over x, because this is the one I'm looking for, right? The common leg. And if you did this angle and you used it to cosine or tangent, you could maybe tangent of this is equal to this over y. Yeah, you probably could, except this would be an x, or it would be reversed. Let's just do it this way. There's more than one way to do it, always, almost always. 15 degrees, tangent of 15. Our first triangle is equal to y1 over x, and we're going to substitute. We're going to substitute y1 with tangent of 15 times x, just like we did before, right? And we do that because tangent of 15 is y1 over x. Solve for y, just move x to the other side. And we end up with tangent of 15 times x is equal to y1. And so the area for this triangle is tangent of 15 times x times x. There we go. That's, don't worry about the equal yet, because we're going to add this one plus this one is equal to the 1 acre, right? Here's what all we got to do. Tangent of 25 equal to x2 over x, or y2 over x. We're going to solve for y2. So tangent of 25 times x is equal to y2. And we're going to solve for the second triangle. Tangent of 25 times x squared is 1/2 tangent of 25 times x squared. That's the area of this triangle. Then we're going to add those two together. 1/2 tangent of this plus this, since these are like terms, x squared, we can just add those together. Tangent of 15 plus tangent of 25, and that's what I did here, times x squared, and in the equal to 43,560, which is 1 acre square feet. That's what the result we want is in feet. So then you add those and you end up with that times x squared is equal to 43,560. And then we want x squared by itself. So you move to the other side. So you end up with x squared is equal to 43,560 divided by 0.367. Did that there, and you get the square root, and you end up with 344.4569. And that is going to be this dimension right here. Multiplier. Then I end up with the correct answer. There you go. So that's that answer, and that's where that answer goes. And I'm trying to show you that it actually works. And then cosine of 15 is equal to this over d. So cosine of 15 is equal to 344. This dimension over this dimension, right? And solve for d, you get 344 divided by cosine of 15. And you end up with 356,608. That is the answer that we were looking for. So this should show up. All right, that's how you do it. I'm going to change that now because I don't want that screwing up later. In case I didn't mention it, or I did mention it at least a couple times, this is called Design CAD 3D Max Plus. It's about $150, and it's a great CAD program, easy to learn. Actually, I like the fact that you can plug this information in, and let's see, cosine of 15. So you can, let's see, I'll show you. Let's say if we were in line command and I wanted to go I want to go point polar, 350, 356.608. Right, and then on the angle, could actually put the angle in here and go, we know it's 15, but let's say we didn't know it was 15, we'd have, I would need more information. Let's say if it was arctangent of 10 divided by 20. Right, you can put that in. I think that was 28.5651. Right, and then let's check. Yeah, there you go. So 26. It's one of the nice things is you can put the calculation right into the input. It's a little harder to do that in AutoCAD, don't you know? Apostrophe, then calc, then enter, then copy, then paste. Yeah, it's a big pain in the neck. So maybe that's changed in the latest version of AutoCAD, but anyways, there you go. So maybe I could show you how to do this in a template, but if we took that and copied it, let's just take the whole thing and copy and paste it. Let's see if we got it to knock that out in a couple minutes. So if you had in here, anyways, let's go tangent x squared. So, oh yeah, so if we had, let's see, this was a repeatable problem. You could type in 25 degrees, 15 degrees, right? And then your solution, 34, 560, 34, 560. That's the area that you're looking for at the end. Then you could say tangent radians 15. And then what we had there, tan radians. Enter, that's good enough. Copy, paste. We have those, and then this is equal to, we added those, this plus this, enter, right? And now we know, I think we had to, should be 3, 6, and then 1/2 equals, well, let's just do that there, 1/2 times this plus that. We end up with that 36371 there, and then the square root of the area, so we have the area, so the next one is equal to this square root that divided by this, pretty much that's it, right? Enter. 306, and then when you ended that was 306, something's wrong with that. 344, 340, 43, oh shit, I have 43, this is actually 43,560, or 3,560. Enter, that would create a little difference. So then we end up with this 344, and then we hit cosine of 15, cosine of 15, so we're looking for this leg now. So we would type in equals this divided by cosine radians 15. And then we could just hit that and it would be over and over. And then you could just change this. If this angle changed to, say, 20 degrees, it would just self-populate the right answer. And then the area, you could change the area to 5,000. Enter. And just to see, Control C. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, I can. Control C. Go into the design program here. Type that. I can't do it that way. Forget why. Oh, you know what I need to do is go video. I could turn it into a table, I think, and copy and paste it, but I'm just going to go like this. Snip. What the heck happened? Oh yeah, file new. New. We're going to put in this information. And then we'll go to the. So if we go V20, JC20, enter. What the heck happened? And then let's hit 25. And then hit file. And hit 5,000, we said 5,000. 5, 1, 2, 3, enter. And then we have this dimension right here. End up with 115, 116, something. Oh, there you go. Data. Snap error. 116.789. That's exactly what we had there. So that's how you could put in create a template. So let's go back to the next one. Is going to be we're going to get into subdivision. So see you on the next video.